What's up, guys? Welcome back. The King. Oh, Elvis Presley. So this is him young-ish. Very baby-faced Elvis. So let's try. So I'm going to start with his nose. He's nearly completely side. We can see a little bit of his other eye, but close to profile. So I'm going to start with his nose. Very straight sort of nose. Well, it's got a few bumps in it, so we'll go down and kind of bump over the bridge, and then it comes out for the tip of his nose a bit here. So we got a couple of bumps and stuff. So then it comes around, down, connects with his top lip there. Right, and then his nostril, just there. And then the skin of his nostril at the back, curving around. Kind of like that. He's got like a bit of a cheek. He's got like high cheeks. Just a suggestion of that there. And maybe like just a bit of like the bridge of his nose, just lightly put in there, nothing sort of major. So just across from this is where his eye will be. Okay, and you're about eye width across. So if you are wondering, like, it's kind of like, say like directly above this nostril is where your tear duct usually is. Okay, so if you go up and across from there, then you'll start his eye. Very big eyelashes as well, so it's kind of a dark top line. You know, they cover a good bit of his eye shape, like it's very sort of dark down here. You know, they kind of flick up on this side. And then bottom eyelid line curving around. Up into the tear ducts there again. And then his iris touches the bottom eye line. So you imagine it keeps going and then just back up into the corner there. And then his pupil in the middle. And then we have bottom eyelid line. He's loads of eyelashes down here too, so like some dashes of eyelashes coming off. The bottom as well. They can be quite big. And then like a line just underneath his eye there. And then you've got top eyelid. Just sort of curves down, following his eye down there. Eyebrow, so just above, quite large. And then maybe like a little hairy at the front. And it goes back this way. It's like he's got like a high cheekbone sort of as well, kind of a little sort of line there. Okay, so the other eye, it's in behind the nose, so we'll just go like that way. And then his eyebrow comes out from there. Now this like is very small, so it goes around his brow, right? So it's just like around like that. And then his other eye is in this section, and we can really see the eyelashes sticking off here. Now they're very big because they stick out. These ones come towards us, so they're not as protruding. So these like flick really, really long. And then join it to the eyebrow then just there. And like the skin of his eye above. And then we can see actually the white eyeball. So it just goes that way, then around into the nose. And then again, we have like eyelashes coming off here. On the bottom this time. Very long. And then his skin of his eyelid there goes down. And then the curve of his iris on the inside here. And then again a big pupil. Looks like it's just right here. We can just see a high cheekbone here. Down like that. Right, so his mouth and his lips. So very big for a man, like very pronounced. Very pronounced sort of mouth and lips. So it's got like this sort of line coming down his top lip there from the nose. And then I think here it's very like sharp and then goes down like that. And then the other side seems to go up like so and then down like that as well. Very sharp. And then the bottom lip just comes out here. So then where the lips sort of touch, so it goes like that way maybe. And his mouth is kind of always kind of semi-open. You know, he's got that. So it looks like there's like a shadow in here, basically. It's like a little bit of a gap. And then the bottom lip just comes around then. like that, kind of very big. And then maybe like just a line on his chin just there. Like that a bit. And then his chin will come out from here then. He's got a strong jaw as well, a strong chin. Very definite facial features. So, like proportions of things, roughly like eyebrow to nostril is about the same as nostril to chin. Just if you're wondering how high up, you know, people be. Wondering about that kind of thing. So here and here about the same. And then nostril to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip chin. So that and that are roughly the same, you know, vertically. Okay. And we just finished the side of his face. So he has sort of his cheek coming out around the lips. And then just joins, imagine it joins there underneath the nose. Oh, so he's got that high collar, so it kind of pops over his jaw a little bit. So we'll just go like here, and the collar seems to like come down this way. And then, so imagine like his jaw keeps going and then turns up this way. And it, like your nose and your ear are roughly on the same level. You know, if his head was straightened up, it'd be right across here, but we're diagonal. So it's just right there. So his earlobe starts here. And then the ear will come around to meet that. His hair covers some of it, but we'll just draw like so. And he's got a big sideburn that covers a lot of his side of his face here. So we'll just go like zigzag down. And it's real square at the bottom. And then it's like combed back. So everything's kind of like combed this way. And then in here we get some ear lines. And then some hair at the back of his neck as well, just coming down over the collar a little bit as well. And that'll start to go up around his head. Like the front of his neck there. So you like you'd have his cheek sort of going that way. Righty, so forehead and then his hairline. So his forehead comes up, bumps a little bit up to there. And then his hairline comes across, right? So we'll go with the sideburn first. Just zigzag your way up. And then like the center here, just above the nose. Now your forehead and your nose are about the same size roughly, right? So this and this would be about the same. See that? And then his hair sort of just goes this way then, zigzagging for the hairline. And then all the hair sort of flicks this way. So it's all brushed back. Kind of spiky on top, but we'll go back and Some of it kind of flicks up there. Might be some hairs sort of sticking out that way. Most of it just flicking back that way. And then this will go all the way down. It's all like combed back. Very slick down there. Lots of texture all swooping that way. Some forehead, little forehead wrinkles, just like that. Okay, getting there now. So his collar, popped collar at the back, so it's kind of like just popped up here. Let me go down. Front of it just there. Then his shirt just has all these folding lines. And I think just like his shoulder just and his back. This goes off that way. All right, Elvis, the King. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.